So welcome back, guys. It's been a while since I posted a video. I think it's been a couple years or more since I put up any good content. Projects have changed. I just wanted to go over what we got going on now, and pretty much these are probably the two cars that you're going to see on this channel to kind of get things kicked off. So I just kind of figured I made make an intro video of what we got going on and what to expect in the future to try to get back into the YouTube scene. But with being busy with work and all that, it's kind of difficult. But first car here I wanted to start off with, this is a 91 Pontiac Firebird. You guys probably noticed it does have the Firebird TA, which is like the 87 front bumper. To be fair, I was looking for the original one, but these are more popular and actually easier to come by, so that's the reason behind that. So this one has a fully built engine, Holley Sniper EFI. It has the CD box, the distributor, and pretty much the whole kit to go with the Sniper kit, which you're better off. It works a lot better that way. But that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go into full detail on it. Maybe in a later video we can go over like the specs if you want. And then over here we got a 1974 Chevy Nova. So body style, I think the popular body style would be 68 to 72, but to be fair, this is a special car being that it's a Spirit of America edition. I think a little over 14,000 made. This one does have the small block Chevy engine in it, Vortec heads, a little cam, a couple bolt-ons, nothing crazy. But this would be another addition to the channel. Do got plans for both cars. Actually got a lot of parts for both cars. Just got to get the time to make these videos, post them up. So hopefully in the future, I'll be posting up at least 1 or 2 videos weekly. So thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna keep this video short. Just wanted to get you guys up to speed of what we got going on. These are probably like the 2 main hot rods right now that I'll be kind of messing around with. There is other cars. I got my daily driver over there. Could possibly make a couple videos on that. And then I got just other projects laying around. Nothing too crazy. Just like some regular day-to-day stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one.